Today we're looking at two new pieces from the awesome folks at Western Rise. We're looking at a complete outfit today comprised of two items from their lineup. We got their Diversion Pants and their Limitless Merino short sleeve shirt. Both of these have some killer details to look at, and as usual, I'm going to try to go through as much of them as I can, starting with these pants. And according to the brand, the Diversion Pants were designed to have you covered while traveling. I mean, really, they're designed for those heavy days of flying, driving, rushing through airports, or whatever kind of traveling you're doing these days. These are simply designed to make you just a bit more comfortable amongst the chaos. Specifically, they are made with a heavy and durable double weave canvas with a bit of nylon and spandex in there for some stretch. They're also stain and water repellent, which in the past has saved me more than once, especially with having kids. I mean, if you know, you know. Besides that too, they've got some really killer design features on these. First off, you have a large front pocket for your phone. That's always nice. You also have a zippered wallet or passport pocket, so you don't lose that. I also love that these can replace several types of pants, meaning you could pack just these and use them as dress pants, traveling pants, I don't know, wandering pants, if that's a thing, wandering pants. The point is though, packing less on a trip is definitely more, so I do think that that also helps out a lot. As far as the fit goes, they fit really nicely. Why do they fit really nicely? Well, because I ordered my size. Simply put, I ordered the right size. I usually get 34-30. That's what I got here, and you know what? They fit nicely. They're super comfortable. They're not too hot. They seem to breathe nicely. Overall, there's really not much else to say here. I'm probably stretching this out a bit. They're great pants. There's not much else to say here. Let's move on to this shirt now, though. Again, this is the Limitless Merino short sleeve shirt, and the brand refers to this as a passport to comfort. Because just like the pants, this is not just designed to look good. It's meant to be comfortable to wear as you navigate a full day of traveling or, you know, adventuring, having adventures while traveling. It's meant to keep you cool and, yes, looking your best. This shirt was fully designed for any scenarios you got out there, like hikes, dinner plans, chasing kids around, you know, all those usual things that I end up having to do inside, outside. You can travel in it, party in it, everything in between. This one here specifically is made of 53% Australian merino wool and 47% polyester, and I think it's very comfortable. It does have a little bit of stretch to it, not a ton of stretch to it. It's just very minimal stretch, which works out, I think. It's very breathable. It's also kind of a looser fit, so it's really comfortable, which is something that I look for specifically in those scenarios. For the size too, I did get a large. You can look at their size guide here. I'm 5'8", and I'm right around 170, 175 pounds, and so I opted for the large, and I do think I probably could have gotten away with a medium. I do think that this fits well. It's a bit of a looser fit, so I do think I could have sized down if I wanted to, but overall I have no complaints here, and I think this was a solid option. I believe though that's pretty much it. That covers these two really cool picks from Western Rise. Again, I really enjoy looking at their stuff. I've been wearing it for a really long time. I think they just come out with awesome stuff, you know, whether you're traveling or just hanging out at home or going out to dinner or something like that. I do think that they're affordable. They're good options. I've just really enjoyed this brand. There's not much else to say. I am going to leave a link to their shop and these picks specifically in the description. I highly recommend you check them out. They do have sales pretty much going on all the time. Give that a look. Check it out for yourself. Make sure you also do all the big stuff for me. Like, comment, subscribe. That's a huge one for me. Thank you so much in advance for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.